everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hey, what's up? My name is Kasey. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the new Too Faced White Peach palette. I just got mine in the mail and I thought I just had to play with it today. So this is what the palette looks like. I'm sure you guys have seen it all over Instagram and YouTube, but I wanted to give you guys my review and first impression on the palette. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I did create this look using this palette, so if you guys want to see how I did it, I'm going to put that in towards the end of the video. And before I get into this review, guys, I did want to quickly say thank you guys so much for all of the positive feedback and comments that you guys have been leaving on my channel. I really appreciate you guys being here so much, and I love that everybody is just so kind. And yeah, I'm like blown away at how much my channel has grown within these like 3 weeks. I think it was like 3 weeks that I started posting again here regularly, and I'm just blown away with you guys' support and you guys' kind words. So thank you guys so much for being here. If you guys are new, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I would love if you join my little YouTube ohana that I have here. Become a part of my family. But yeah, you guys, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I love you guys all so much. And without further ado, let's just jump on into this review. Before I get into the swatches, I do want to give you guys a little bit of detail on this palette. So right now it does retail on Sephora's website as well as Too Faced's website for $45. It comes with this little clasp, but it is magnetic. When you open the palette, it comes with a very nice size mirror, and the palette comes with 12 very beautiful shades. I love that they have different finishes in it. The Just Peachy Matte one is all matte. This one has mattes, shimmers, as well as metallics. So I really enjoy that. The packaging is just so pretty to look at. Just like the first one, it has that ombre effect. And this is the cardboard casing that it comes in. Very cute. I'm probably gonna keep it just because it's so cute. Alright, you guys, now that I showed you guys all the beautiful shades in here, I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it for you guys. I'm just gonna swatch the top row, then the middle, and then the bottom on the back of my hand. And as I show you guys the swatches, I'll let you guys know the shade names. So here we have the color Peach Cream. Then we have the color Peach Suede. This color right here is Peaches and Dreams. And this color is Creme de la Peach. Now this next color is Peach Sorbet. Then we have Glistening Peach. This color is Peach Smoothie. And this color right here is Sweet Fig. And for the last row, we have Peach Ice. Then we have Fuzzy. This color right here is On the Grill. And the last color, this beautiful, beautiful color, is Peach Passion. Hey guys, I hope you guys enjoyed those swatches and hopefully it did it justice. Like I said, I did create this eye look today using this palette. I tried to use quite a few colors in here just to see how they all worked out. Obviously, I didn't use all of them. But yeah, you guys, if you guys want to see how I created this look using this palette, then just stay tuned. with you guys, so I really hope that you guys enjoyed how this look turned out. I personally I'm digging it, so I hope you guys are too. Now for my final thoughts on the palettes, for $45, it is a stunning palette. I just love the packaging. Like, it just lures you in, you know what I'm talking about. And then it has like the cute little peach clasp. I love that it's magnetic. The shade ranges, I think, are just beautiful. When I was swatching them and using them on my eye, there was kind of a bit of kick up on some of the shadows. A lot of them are really smooth, but I noticed like this shade right here was personally just really dry. Even when I was swatching it, I could just feel it. It was really dry. As much as I love the shades in this palette, and I'm not trying to be picky at all, but I just wish that some of the shades that they put in here, I wish they made it a little bit deeper. Like, I'm picturing this palette on my women of color, and not a lot of the shades are probably gonna be true to color on them as it is on fair skin. So I mean, they are beautiful colors, but I just wish that some of them were a little bit deeper in pigmentation. But we can't all be picky, right? Everybody's gonna love different things. All in all, I really love this palette. Like, I think it's just beautiful. You get a nice amount of shades. They're all really pigmented. I love the shimmers in here, these two. I'm just really excited to play around with it more. The transition colors in here are very beautiful. The mattes, they are a little powdery, but the pigment is there. So I really don't have any complaints about this palette, besides wishing that some of the colors were a little bit deeper. But yeah, you guys, that is the end of this review, first impression demo of the new White Peach palette. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you guys did pick up this palette, go ahead and comment down below and let me know your thoughts on this palette. Did you guys love it? Did you guys hate it? I would love to know. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys are having a wonderful day or night wherever you are. Don't forget, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Aloha!